Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rolling Brook Inn. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Maggie Valley, within 16 miles of Harrah's Casino and 29 miles of Great Smoky Mountains Railroad, Rolling Brook Inn has accommodations with a garden and free Wi-Fi throughout the property as well as free private parking for guests who drive. Featuring a shared kitchen, this property also provides guests with a sun terrace. The hotel provides garden views and a grill. At the hotel, all rooms have air conditioning, a desk, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, bed linen, towels and a patio with a mountain view. All rooms will provide guests with a fridge. Guests at Rolling Brook Inn will be able to enjoy activities in and around Maggie Valley, like fishing. Museum of the Cherokee Indian is 18 miles from the accommodation. The nearest airport is Asheville Regional Airport, 39 miles from Rolling Brook Inn. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.